that game. Um, sorry if it's quite that picture then. Yeah, bad luck right now. Cause I'm in my room. Yeah. When I was in the room, I was in the living room, and first time I was in this room doing it. Second was oh, you get what I mean, right? Here we go. Well, right now I'm probably using blood and dead blood. Oh no, with blood and dead blood. Today, no, it's not gonna be blood and dead blood. It will be Black Veil Bride in the end. Yeah, guys, let me think of one song. Yeah, whatever this, I'll probably say this skip this to second. Yeah. In the air, just fades into the night. Whoa, who will tell the story of your life? In the end, if my song's in the west, what is left to my body? Or am I just a shell? And I have fall. In blood, I can be lonely. For it all, I can feel some hope for a lonely little growing. In the air, that's fading through the night. Wow, who will tell the story of your life? The one you will remember your last goodbye. Wow, 'cause it's the end, and I'm not afraid to die. Not afraid. No, I'm not afraid to die. Born a saint. In every sin, I still wanna be holy. I will live again. Who we are isn't how we live. We are more than our bodies. And if I fall, I'll rise back up and live my glory. In the end, as you fade into the night, wow, who will tell the story of your life? When you will remember your last goodbye. Wow, 'cause it's the end, and I'm not afraid to die. Yeah. In the air that's fading to the night. Wow, who will tell the story of life? When you will remember your last goodbye. Wow, 'cause it's the end and I'm not afraid, not afraid to die. Oh, will we remember your last goodbye? Whoa, 'cause it's the end and I'm not afraid, not afraid to die. Not afraid, I'm not afraid to die. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to die. Okay, we got one more song on that I'm still. If you guys enjoyed this wonderful still, then I still on. It's been broken mind that's against me wrong. Can't me open right. Okay, I'm joking. It starts. No, hold on. Let's just skip to it. Oh, the world of these hands I shook, the hands to the ground. I laid the guns to rest. I had the keys to the tender lines, gone against the wall. Hail the king of the and then I know there's a broken mind that's against the wall. You cut me open, I just trying to bridge it, trying to figure it out. Because I built these walls and watching crumbling down and then I lost my own. And who could save me now? Much quicker than this, that's it. Long. I'm good above, I'm never one of the true and falling ground. I know the fear of men, but I was blind. I couldn't see a water right in front of me. But now I can, yeah, cause I lost it all. Dead broken mind, backs against the wall. Cut me off the vine, just trying to breathe, just trying to figure it out. Because I built these walls and watch them crumbling down and then I lost it all. And you could save me now. Oh, 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 I'm not gonna go back. I believe that we all fall down sometimes. Oh, can't you see? Cause you see that we all fall down sometimes. Yeah. I believe that we all fall down sometimes. Oh, yeah. Can't you see that we all fall down sometimes? Oh, yeah. I believe that we all fall down sometimes. Yeah. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this. Oh yeah, and there'll be like a little video about the. If it says Missy BGV, there's gonna be a little tiny video about her. She's one of my best mates that don't even know either one. I'm gonna ask her to probably like have a look at this. She'll probably like won't like it because bad singing and the song shit. And then yeah, I'll talk about her a tiny bit, who she. And I'm gonna tell her that talk about it in the video soon. Which is a bit why? Oh, why? What's up like that? She'll probably think of the pedo. I'm definitely not pedo. I didn't look at some girls' asses on the beach with my phone at the. Yep, I'm the picture. Don't do that. Definitely. Bye. Please subscribe and like and comment. I'll see you guys soon. And it'll probably be the same song again. And maybe a Bartek. Because I'm doing it.